Welcome back everyone. This is JBL Clip for Bluetooth speaker. Let's unbox it and check it out. This is a 5-watt speaker having 1050 mAh of battery, which gives around 10 hours of playtime on 3 hours of charge. And it also have IP67 dustproof and waterproof protection. We got Type C to Type A, both sides connectable charging cable. Here we got a lot of documents. This is the speaker. At first glance, as you can see, build quality is very much premium. Feels nice to touch, and the outer ring is metallic build, as you can see. This clip mechanism is given. Of course, it is JBL Clip 4, so you can hang it anywhere on bags, belts, etc. Turning it on. Let's connect it to device and check its sound quality. Let us do water test. Hit the like button, guys. Do share this video with your friends and let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Thank you.